This is the special bolt that I made for the center stand on the Panther. I've machined the first flat on here. We're going to make a hexagon, so I've rotated the part around and it's now resting on the 60-degree angle sitting on the vise. So that sets our first piece. We'll make the next cut pretty soon. Well, as you can see here, the second side has now been machined, so we'll just have to repeat this process 4 more times and we'll have a hexagon. I've left the cutter at the same depth for each face that we're cutting, and just as a matter of interest, this is not actually the preferred way of doing this for a machine that may not have a really accurate cross screw. This is called fine milling, and the cutter wants to pull the part past the cutter, which you don't want, so you just got to be a little bit careful with it. We're taking about 100,000ths cut here from 1018 carbon, which is doing quite well. Now this is where it gets a little bit more tricky, because you have to try and hold 2 things while you check that this is touching the angle. You have to touch the square and the face that you're going to cut. So it actually looks very good. I think it's just fine. In fact, it's fine. The thing that you have to remember, of course, is that these are just wrench flats. It's not like it's got to be a super accurate hexagon, but it will be. You can see here that this is cutting now. This is 100,000ths cut when it gets to the middle, 1 power feed, and it's doing a really good job. I'm really happy with the little machine. It's working very well for me. Here you can see the hex finished, and it worked out very well. It's completely regular, sides are all the same length, and of course the flats dimension is within a few thousandths of what we want. So all in all, a pretty good job. Now all we have to do is turn it around, put it back in the lathe, and finish the other side.